Hello, myself Udal Bharti, and I am going to show you demo of one application which I built to serve for education company, coaching company, training company and corporate training company. So each of these company have some pages like home, about us, services page and their courses page like they provide a spoken English or mobile technology training, Microsoft technology training. So these are the common pages about our services, and other pages are the courses pages. They provide the certification and courses. So this one is one company. Another company is training.ksoftware.co.in. He also provides training for students, and there is another company with this. It also provides training to students, and there is another development innovative design. This company also provides training to corporate trainers or PMP certifications. This company also provides. So these all websites, company websites, Education Lamp, ksoftware.co.in, vidyadrashti.com and innovative design, these all company websites has been built using one common CMS that I developed using ASP.NET MVC. So let's start with the CMS. So let me log into the CMS here. So when I come here, so this one is page, the landing page, where this page manage sliders. So from here you will be able to manage banner of your site. So you see banner, this one is banner image here. So you will be able to add new banners or delete existing banners from this screen. Another thing is home setting. So home setting, so you see home settings. So there is field like home title, home description, home SEO keywords, logo, and so these fields are required for here. So you see this company have title Education Lamp. So this one is required for SEO purpose, search engine optimization purpose. So this one is description, SEO description, SEO keyword, the logo of the site. So this one you see logo, you will be able to upload logo by yourself from here. And another thing is mail settings. So someone from in this website contact to you, so you should be able to receive one email. So this is the email setting you can enter yourself, and this one is the receiver email. So if you are the owner of your website, so you will be able to enter your email, and every email that comes from this website you will receive. And there is field Google Analytics, so you can place the Google Analytics codes here and it will come here. So you will be able to track how many visitors from which locations are visiting your websites. So this one is the setting page. Another page is change password. So you will be able to change admin CMS password. Now coming to content. So this content, what it does, you see here, create your own custom course, home, about us. These are links, pages links, but this name you can change from contact, this number, this name, copyright, everything you can change from content. So let's I show you here copyright 2015. So I will change from here admin. So I will go here. So I will go here and I will find copyright thing. So you see here footer.copyright. So if I want to change this sorry, footer content. So if I want to write here 2015 to 2016, then this, and then update. So it's updated, and when I refresh this page here, so you will see copyright 2015 2016 updated. So you don't have to depend on developers. After developing applications, you will be able to manage everything, every content like Facebook page URL, Twitter URL, social media. These URLs you will be able to change from this content CMS. Now coming to pages. So these pages you see about us, workshop, certifications, these are the pages. in this application there are also contact us page. In this project there is also Lach 2016, about us, faculty. These are the common pages. Here also about us, services, partner, promotions, about us. These are all the pages. So from this screen pages from the CMS you will be able to add new page. So like I am going to edit this one, career. So there is existing page, career. So you see career, page name, meta title of this one, SEO keyword, SEO descriptions, short descriptions, and descriptions. So you will enter all the information and it will affect here. So this one is career page, you see in the front end. So if I click career, so it's showing only career. If I want to change the description, so I will be able to change this one description, contact us for best career option or best career courses. So I entered this description, and you can be able to put HTML thing also here. It will accept because this one is HTML editor. So I updated this one, and if I refresh this page in the front end, you see contact us for best career. So everything is managed from the CMS. Now coming to this one page and category. So this one is the course category. You see here training, spoken English, mobile technology, Microsoft technology. These are the category of the course. So this one is managed from here, spoken English. So this one is managed from here. And now coming to course. So in each category there are course. So in, like if I click here mobile technology, so in mobile technology you see there is course like Java, PHP, Android app development. So if I click Android app development, you will see the general info of this course, Android app development, modules of this course, then trainers, who are the trainers here, and inquiry for this inquiry form, this course. So this courses details is managed from here admin. So you see here the course, that course I am showing you here, Android app development. You see, if I am going to edit this one, you will see the name of the course, description of the course, eligibility criteria, then fee, then duration of the course, and the category, which category this course related to, the SEO page title, this one, SEO description, then images of the course, and then document. So these all you have to enter. So if you enter document here, so document will show here. You see here download syllabus copy. So if you click here, this one downloaded the document, the course syllabus document downloaded here. So now how to configure this module? So these modules you will be able to configure from here, this one course module. So the course module you will be able to configure from here. I am editing this one. So module name, module description, and the duration of the module, and which course this module have. So this one is for core Java. So this module will show in core Java course. Now coming to trainers. So you have education company, so you must have trainers. So you will be able to add trainer profile here. So you say this one is trainer. So trainer name, description of the trainer, qualification of the trainer, which technology he experts, position, and what are the courses he teach. And then these courses are dynamic. You entered here in the course section. Whatever courses you entered, it's coming here. So you will be able to associate trainer to courses. So that trainer will appear in all the courses details. So and the Facebook page URL of this trainer, Twitter page URL of this trainer, Google Plus URL of this trainer. So everything you will be able to manage from here. So like if I click here trainer, you see this trainer Udal Bharti. So this one is the link of this. Click here Udal CSE, and Facebook URL, you see Facebook URL, it's going to Facebook URL. And this one, and this all configured from the CMS. You see this one, Facebook URL, Twitter URL, Google Plus URL, and the image of the trainer. So like if I upload another image, so if I come here and let's upload eDrive so like if I upload this image here and select this one, so update, so image updated here, and if I come here and refresh this page and come to trainers, you see Udal Bharti image updated here. So these are the options for courses. Now coming to trainer done and testimonial. So you will be able to add testimonial here, and this one is the events. Like if you want to create events for your courses, so you will be able to add events, and that events is appearing here in the home page. So if you come here and you see events is coming here, so all the events, and you can be able to go and you see all the events are showing here, so event details. Now this one is inquiry. So someone made inquiry from your website, so if you come here, contact us, okay, and someone made inquiry, so you will be able to receive one email for this inquiry, and also this whole information will be saved here in inquiry page. So if I come here inquiry, so you will be able to save, like I am showing here, I am writing my name Udal, and udal.bharti@gmail.com, and 98317855047, and message, I am looking for PMP training course details. So when I click submit, you see your contact has been successfully. And if I come to this screen, so if I click here, refresh here, so you will see, you see this information came here, I am looking to details for ASP.NET course. So these are the things, and you should be like, so these are the options available in the CMS, and you are able to manage your trainer profile, courses, course module, category of the course, pages, page contents, home page settings, everything from this CMS. And these websites, Education Lamp, training.ksoftware.co.in, vidyadrishti.com, and Innovative Design, all are all these 4 websites are developed using this CMS, and all are live. So I hope you enjoyed the demo. So let's tell you something about my company profile. So we are the KC Software Solutions, and we are 6-year-old web application development company. We have 12 ASP.NET developers and 5 UI designers. We are expert in web technologies like ASP.NET, ADO.NET, LinkU, and we are expert in these domains: booking engine, reservation system, travel applications, financial advisory sites, e-commerce, classified advertisement, and B2B application, education portal, corporate sites, content management system, real estate management applications. If you want to contact, you can email us at udal.bharti@gmail.com, or Skype, contact at Skype at udal.bharti. Thank you.